Here, welcome to Roost Vans as we're going over our Promaster build, Rose. Rose was a fun project. We brought Rose in and it was a new platform for us, but we custom built our smooth rail mounting system to fit factory holes with some match drilling. We installed those and took a lot of measurements so that we can get that into production. That's a big part of how we do things in product development here at Roost Vans. Installed that rail system. The customer is going to be able to do their own thing after. This is not a full build. They were really just needing help getting off the ground. They want to make sure everything they were building was going to be installed securely, accurately, with some modular adjustment, flexibility, and that's what we do here at Roost Vans. Now with Rose, we installed Espar heater over on the driver's side and tapped directly to the gas fuel tank, and they're going to be building a custom box for that at a later date. Now we also installed our core electric kit temporarily, and you'll notice that there's a switch plate for them available, and then they can tie into this in-wall wiring that we performed, and they can also secure some of the lines and have access to them as needed as a later date. You'll notice that we didn't fully secure all the lines on this build, and that was by design. They're going to be doing insulation and a bunch of other stuff, so we wanted to make sure to give them as much support as they needed so that they could customize and fine-tune as needed so that they could put the electric panel, switch panel, distribution box, and connection points for the future Goal Zero system. Thanks for visiting us. Check out roostvans.com.